Rip it open.
I want to see what it is.
PlayStation. I got a PlayStation.
You don't know if that's what's in the box now.
I do.
Yeah, we all try different things in boxes.
Nuh-uh. It has to be a joke.
It's a joke, right? It's a joke.
It's
Oh
a
yeah,
joke. It's a joke. Are you sure it's a joke?
this is a joke.
Don't drop it.
I'm not going to drop it.
Can you help me open it?
I can.
Don't rip the box up.
Oh, here, do it from the front.
Yeah.
That's
Give
good.
it. Oh, and there it is. There it is.
There you go. Look at that. You
Can I play it?
Well, no, you can't play it at all.
Oh, yes, you can, Aiden.
Yay!
All right, hold on. We're gonna take it out.
What's taking
You're
out
the
now?
best.
Yay!
I've been wanting one.
Yeah, me too. I've been wanting one so bad.
Awesome.
Did I have your Xbox 7?
No.
That's going bye-bye.
Aiden, so we have our staples back?
No.
Don't, hey, don't.
So your staples?
Don't take it out.
Hold on.
Bring it over here to
Hold
put.
on, Devin.
We'll get it set up for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't mix them up either.
Yeah. Well, you really can't mix them up.
Well, we're going to put them in our rooms.
Yeah, but
Yes.
yeah.